Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2023 BMW X3 xDrive30i X-Line in the new 23 color, which is Skyscraper Grey Metallic. Alright, so this is the new 2023 BMW X3 xDrive30i. This is without the M Sport package, so I just wanted to feature this car because I normally feature ones with M Sport because the majority of them do have M Sport. Now this one is just X-Line, and I just wanted to show off the new color for 23, which is Skyscraper Grey Metallic. It was an M car color for 22, and in 23 it's now trickling down to some of other vehicles in our lineup, and you can see some of the differences here compared to the M Sport model, but just wanted to take my time to share this with you because it's not often that we get one in this spec, in this color, and it looks pretty good. So let's take a look at the closer details. Alright, so right off the bat we can see we have the BMW LEDs, which have this nice form factor since the LCI. And we do have the one-piece kitty grille, so this one is not blacked out. It's still in the brushed aluminum, which looks great. Beautiful BMW rondelle here. And let me just get those lights back on. And with the M Sport design, we've got a little bit of a different, less aggressive front bumper, but still looks really good. We've got the triangle air ducts on each side that are functional. And we've got lower grille here, and we've got that brushed aluminum theme going on. Now this particular one has a set of winter tires already on it, so these are not the original wheels. I'll list them in the description below along with the pricing of the vehicle, but we've got some winter tires. We're ready for winter, and because this is the non-M Sport version, we do have the black around here instead of body colored, and then we have black at the bottom here with the brushed aluminum side skirt. Normally it's body colored if you get M Sport, but we still do have this little cutout, but this not black on this one. And we have body colored side mirrors here as well. We have brushed aluminum window surrounds, and we have brushed aluminum roof rails, and we have the traditional style antenna, and this particular one is not optioned with a panoramic sunroof, which is great. Still very functional. And let's go to the back of the vehicle. So we can see again, the wheel arches are with the black plastic cladding to keep it protected. And the rear bumper design is different, but with the LCI, you still get this freeform exhaust despite it being the xDrive30i model that used to have a circular single tip on each side. And let me get those rear tails on for you. It looks really good. And let me just open that up. So we do have a power lift gate, and in the back here we've got a cargo cover. There's a button right there you can press to release the cargo cover, and if you do release it, there's space for it to be stored right underneath here. In that little black bag there, we've got a tow hook and your wheel lock keys. We've got your carpeted floor mats there because the winter ones are installed in the floor already. We do have a 12-volt plug here. We have a grocery bag hanger here, and if you remove these two sides, there is a little storage compartment like that on each side. Don't forget, the Border Patrol already probably knows about this, so don't try to smuggle something across the border here. Just like so on each side. And if I look up at the top, we do have a button here that we can press to close the tailgate. So let me just press that, and there it goes. So if I approach from the rear passenger door, you do see the door light handle there. And if I open it up, so we've got some wood grain trim in here, which looks great. We've got the X indented here. It's also actually indented up here as well once we've got both doors open. We've got the winter floor mats in there, and we have the black Sensitech in here, which looks really good. We have the release levers to fold down the seats here. The headrest can flip up. If nobody's sitting there, you can press the button on the side to flip it back down, and that's for all three headrests. We have an armrest in the center here, has cup holders in it, and we also have a release lever here to fold down the center. And on the back of the center console, we've got some vents, rear climate controls, two USB Type-C charging ports. We've got some ambient lighting down here along with some vents and some pockets on the side doors as well. Let's go take a look at the front seats. All right, if we open that up, we've got the BMW door sill down here. We've got more of that beautiful wood trim. We have power seat over here. there's a little bit of a closer look at that perforated Sensitech black seat. And in the center here, we do have iDrive7 physical climate controls. If I open that up, we've got a storage space, USB, cup holders, 12-volt plug. We've got your gear selector. We've got all your 3 driving modes. We've got hill descent assist, auto hold, electronic parking brake, engine start stop, off button, park assist view, and you've got your traction button just over here. And if I lift this up, we have a USB Type-C charging port in here. And inside of here, we've got large size glove box. Let's go over look at the driver's side. All right, so if I open the door from the driver's side, we've got all your window controls here, side mirror controls, and we have the button there to open the tailgate. You have your door handle, unlock, lock, and your memory buttons there for your seats and your side mirrors. We've got power seat over here as well. And there's the non-M Sport steering wheel, which looks really good. We've got cruise control, heated seat, radio controls on the right-hand side. We've got some paddle shifters. We've got your exterior lighting controls over here. Leave it in auto, brighten or dim your dash, roadside parking lamps here. Got your signal indicator, board computer, automatic high beams, and on the wiper stalk on the other side, I'm just going to click it up one position to put it in auto. On the end there, if you twist from off to on, that'll activate the rear wiper. Twisting and holding will spray the rear, pulling and holding will spray the front. And we have Live Cockpit Professional in there, looking really good. Let's pop the hood and see what's underneath there. So 2 pulls, just like so. So when we arrive to the front of the vehicle, it alleviates us from having to find anything underneath here. We just simply lift it up. And there we have B46 2-liter inline 4 twin power turbo. This produces 248 horsepower. It's a very nice motor, great fuel efficiency. We also have a positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal, and there's your washer fluid there. Looking really good. All right, so we've got this car pretty well prepared for delivery. Customer just needs to do some paperwork and collect the vehicle. So congratulations to Diana. Beautiful X3 you've got. And I just wanted to walk around it one more time as much as I can, so you can get one last chance to see all the lines, all the angles on this beautiful Skyscraper Grey. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2023 BMW X3 xDrive30i in the new color Skyscraper Grey Metallic with the black perforated Sensitech inside. The car looks great. This is the non-M Sport. I usually feature M Sport vehicles, so I just wanted to take the time to feature this one because it's a new color and it looked really good. If you liked the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. And again, congratulations, Diana.